Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the audio to your TV speakers instead of your headset on your PlayStation 5. And there's two different ways that we can do this. Now, what we want to do is go up to the top, go to settings right here, then scroll on down to sound. So I do have a headset plugged in, my Turtle Beach Stealth 700. What I want to do is go to audio output right here, and then we can go to output device, and we can switch it from our headset over to the TV speakers, and then we can hear everything on the speakers. Now, another thing that we could do is, if we still want to use our headset, we could switch it back over to the headset and then go on down to this section where it says audio output to headphones right here. We have all audio selected. We could just put the voice chat to our headset, and then we can hear the game audio through the TV speakers. So if you want to talk with your headset still, you can do this. Just put it to voice chat audio. So I'm going to leave mine on all audio, so I hear the game audio and the voice chat to my headset. And then we do have this option right here, switch output device automatically. If I have this turned on and I plug in a new device to my PlayStation, so I plug in a new headset, it's going to automatically switch this output setting right here over to the new headset, and it's going to switch it from the TV device. So you might want to uncheck mark this if you want to keep your TV as your output device. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.